buy one. Right? The next month, it's at 100 again. You'll buy one.
Why would I buy? Oh, okay. So if it's 50, I can buy more.
Absolutely, right? So it's good when the stock goes down.
Oh, okay.
Right? You can purchase more. But what happens is a lot of people buy at 100 in January, don't put no money in it, and go to July. How much money is that going to be?
Just $100.
That's just $100, right? But if you buy it as you go down, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Oh.
$900.
So I need to generate my little money out of.
That's how you make money outside.
Got
Do you
you.
also work in securities?
I'm in the middle of getting my securities license.
Oh, because I want to do like, because I have like regular stuff. I want to do
But like my business partner has a security license already. So yeah, make sure you're Monday.
I'm trying to figure some stuff out on my own, but it was like right when inflation was starting and the interest rate was like super high, I think it was at the time, and the return just didn't look like it was working. But I don't know what it looks like now.
Right. To me, I like this because it's scalable, it's easy to do, and I don't have to guess about it. I average down. So this is a technical term for averaging down. Where you're just buying what you know is worth. You just buy more at a lower price. That way, when it rebounds, you can sell for a profit.
Well, I need to. I want to buy some today, some more because.
Well, don't buy today because it's green. Always buy good stock on a bad day.
So so I need to learn how to look at it and see when it's up or down, or because I'm telling you, since I bought it, I haven't paid.
I better show you, but
so do you look at the yields and everything? You don't think about
for instance, so I have stocks I call wifey stocks, right? Where those are stocks that pay a dividend, right? So if it don't pay a dividend, I look at it like I'm just dating the stock. I'm just here to make some money off of it, have a good time. I'm here for a good time, not a long time.
Right.
Oh.
If it don't pay dividends.
If it don't pay dividends, no, I ain't got no loyalty to it.
So right now I have Virgin Galactica. And most of the time, the reason why I started with Virgin Galactica is because I feel like basically I had a assignment I had to do to school, and they were talking about the future of, space
travel and all that type of stuff.
Yeah.